Hey guys, so today I booked 25.52 percentage profit. It took around 49 days. So the stock was OFSS, Oracle Financial Services, at Software Limited. So let me just tell you the thought process, like why I took and then why I exited today, so that you can get the fair idea about this trade. So I tried to give all the information in this screen, like at what price I bought and at what price I sold. I sold it today. You see this 13th June, and I bought it on 25th April at 7508. I'm not disclosing the quantity, but yeah, you can put even one quantity. It will like 25% by two in 49 days. So the thought process was, okay, there was a recent fall. How much the fall from this high? Let's see. So the fall was around 16%. So when this fall was happened, what I did, I checked it's the stock price CAGR. So since last 10 years, it's giving 13%. Since last 5 years, it's giving 24, and 3 years 38, and this year it was really good. And after this good performance, it fell down around 16%. So with this, I got some good conviction that the stock which is being doing good in terms of the stock price CAGR. So I thought, it will bounce back after some time, and then I bought it and I waited for 49 days, and today I exited. The exit condition is mainly because of the two conditions. If you know, whenever we see the RSI above 70, now it is like 81, so which is something kind of overbought. So whenever such overbuying happens, there's a good chance the price will correct, right? So no more buying will happen, so it tends to come down. So this is one of the place I look to book profit or exit. And second thing, if you see this range, it was close to this previous supply zone. So the condition one and condition one and this condition two made me to exit today. And today it was really very high. Today it went really like 10% plus. So all these three made me to book profit today, and in 49 days booking 25% is a kind of a very good return. So if you like this video, like, and if you feel if there is any details missing, please do comment what I'm missing, so that in my next video I try to include those points as well. Okay, thank you.